So we got an earthquake. 22nd. Max, come here. Oh, fuck, that was huge. So we'll check out the house. But look at that over there. Man, that one was massive. Do you reckon it's a 6?
Oh, can you get it? Palms.
Yeah. Let's see if people are okay. Well, look. Shit, it split that open. Fuck.
Next.
Is it another one? Shit, I'm glad I'm at home, eh?
Yeah.
Not in the chemistry department. Oh, we'll go out and see if the neighbours are okay. Fuck, look at the drive now. And the house. Look, it's on a massive lean.
Oh, look at this.
Come on, Max. Whoa, that is huge. That was way big. I think that was almost as big as the other one.
Yeah.
Well, look at that. We'll go see if they're okay. Whew. You guys alright? Yeah, it is, eh? Yeah, we had a lot of stuff fall off. Oh, okay. Oh, you can come over if you want. I mean, ours is... Shit. Man, ours is...
Look at this.
Yeah, we had a little bit over our place.
All the roads are all gone again, look.
Yeah. Oh. Whoa. Shit. This is so cool. Whoa. You okay? Honey? Man. Ooh, you guys okay or? Oh, my TV went flying over in my bedroom and smashed. And man, I thought I recorded this for the science people and that. Man, should probably go see how our house is doing, eh? Oh, we'll go get the shovels out again, eh? I'm gonna just go run up the drive. Whoa. Man. Is it shit? Yeah, again. Get the shovels out, eh? Oh, do you reckon this one was bigger? It was more violent at my place. Yeah. Must have broke a lot of stuff. Man, taking a video of it. Whoa. Shit, that was huge, Jacob. Aren't there more gumboots around?
I don't know. It's like flooding quite bad and I'm back.
I'll go find some gumboots and...
Thanks.
Shit, look at it go away. I'm going to put some gumboots on just in case it's sewage and I'll get my car. Should I get the car and move it out of the drive? You want to go record some cool stuff with that?
Yeah.
I'll just go put it on the street just in case we need to move it.
Max. Hey, Max. Hey, Sam.
That car going good?
Yeah.
Shit, look at that. That's even bigger than last time.
Yeah.
I'll get the bike and move it. Stuck. Man, look at that over there. Whoa.
Max.
Fuck. Yeah, I'll go get the car and move it. Yeah. Come Max inside. Where are the cats? That's alright. Hey, good boy Max. Man, look at the house now. I don't think we got too much more damage though, eh? Oh, this one I think was almost as bad as the other one, eh?
Yeah.
Oh. Shit. So did you get under that doorway or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fish being menus.
Yeah, it would, eh? Hey, puss puss. Oh, it's okay. Help me up. We're probably going to have another big aftershock pretty soon then. Yeah. Did you want to hold on to that? You can go record some cool stuff. Alright, I'll go shift the car.
Yeah, I'll just go out into the streets and stuff. So.
Make sure people are okay.
Yep.
Oh, down the street, but
Hey.
you can go. I'm just going to get... Fuck, that one was huge!
Yeah.
It didn't last as long as the last one though, did it?
Nah. Max, come on.
Hey, should we borrow some water quickly?
Yeah, you might want to turn it off since there's no power.
I was loading into a game of LOL as well.
We still have the water from like outside the bottle of stuff anyway.
What's that?
We still have those bottles of water outside. So.
Is there another one? I could just having lunch too.
Yeah.
I also have to...
Hey, look. It's like a bunch, so.
Oh, man. You see? And I'll go run the bath and see what we can get out, eh?
Yeah. I'm just gonna go out, so.
Yeah. Go wander around there, look at that.
Shit. Yeah?
Should I go switch up the mains?
Yeah, it's like flooding really badly, so.
Okay. Go looking around.
Yeah. Holy fuck.
Mm. It's not really put out in the neighbourhood, is it? What's it here? Get some shots of the... That's insane, eh? Cool. Are you guys alright?
Yes, thank you. How are you guys?
We're fine. It's only just me and Jacob home. Oh, do you reckon that one was bigger than the last?
That was 8, at least 8.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God.
So how's your house looking? I figured I'd record all the flooding and that just so I can look back at it.
Inside is just massive, mate. Absolutely
Yeah?
massive. Well, everything's fallen down. And
Yeah, I don't